Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. In this situation, we have complementary solution. And the second one, that's about particular solution. Now I will go to complementary solution. In this situation, I will put about yc. And this one we have e to the power of lambda s. So if we do first derivative, we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. If we do second derivative, we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. And the last one, now because this is about complementary solution, so this equation in here should be equals to number 0. Now about y, we change for e to the power of lambda s. First derivative, we change for this one. Similar for this one. And the last one. So we have lambda to the power of 3 e to the power of lambda s minus 7 lambda square e to the power of lambda s plus 11 lambda e to the power of lambda s minus 5 e to the power of lambda s. So we have e to the power of lambda s. We can do about factorization. So we just concentrate about this one only. So we have lambda to the power of 3 minus 7 lambda square plus 11 lambda minus 5 equals to number 0. So this one, if we do factorization of this one, we will have about lambda minus 1 square multiplied by lambda minus number 5. So this one, we have lambda minus 1 square. That means we have two solutions, but they are same the solution. That's about number 1. And the last one, lambda equals to number 5. So about yc, we have c1 e to the power of 1 s. So we just write about s. The next one, we have lambda equals to number 1. So that means we have c2 s e to the power of s. And the last one, that's about c number 3 e to the power of 5s. Now we go to particular solution. So I will put about yb. If we look carefully on the right, we only have 4 e to the power of 2s. So we put about 8 e to the power of 2s. So if we do first derivative, we have 2a e to the power of 2s. Because first derivative of e to the power of 2s, we will have about 2 e to the power of 2s. Now let's go to the second. We have another number 2. So 2 multiplied by 2, we have 4. And the last one, that's about 8. Now we have this equation in here. So this one will have 8a e to the power of 2s. This one is about second. We have number 4 multiplied by 7. You have 28. This one 11 multiplied by number 2. We have 22. And the last one, we have negative number 5 with a in here. You have minus 5a. And now we simplify this one, so we will have about negative number 3 a e to the power of 2s. And now we divide both sides by negative number 3 and e to the power of 2s. And we have a equals to 4 over 3 with the negative in here. So we have yb equals to negative 4 over 3 e to the power of 2s. And now we have the final answer. YC, that's about this one. And YB, that's about this one. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.